Classic done got my baby, man. Yeah, check out. Baby, out of it. It's all good though. BMW? Fluid down though. My dog Perry, man. Give me a pre-roll dick. Man, give me a pre-roll dick. What you got in there, man? Let me see what you got, dog. Alright. Ooh! Nope, that ain't it. I ain't got no goddamn man, that man cheating. Man, she cheating, dog. What the? Bruh. Hey, man. Stop cheating, bruh. Play the game right. Let me see your card. Let me see your card, bruh. Why you cheating, bruh?
I'm not.
Keep your eye on the Ace of Spades. Cause she know exactly where that motherfucker is. Yeah, you know where it's at. You know where her hand is gonna be in. Not mine. I done took 2 goddamn shots already. I'm drunk. I'm motherfucking.
You been drunk.
Dig out. Yeah, in your face. It was on the cards. I'm looking at your hands.
You can look at them.
I'm looking at your hands.
Why you looking at my hands through the phone? Why you not looking at my hands?
Look, I see the Ace of Spades right there. Look, Ace of Spades right there. Look. I'm drunk. I've been taking shots. Now I'm finna cook salmon. Y'all can't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. We're at the house, so can't say we're at the house with our regular stuff. Got us a little contraption over here, man. We about to make us some salmon. You dig what I'm saying? See, we ain't gonna give y'all all the ingredients, cause no, Jen and Red, they be trying to steal our ingredients, man. They be trying to steal our stuff. So we about to make some salmon. We gonna let y'all see what it is. You see this right? Look, I'm drunk. Look at that, Jim and Jack. Y'all seen the story? Ooh, look at that salmon. Look at it. Look at it. I'm talking about chunky, man. You know what I'm saying? Jen and Red, y'all better stop playing. Stop. Y'all stop while y'all are ahead. Please. Yo. We back. We is back. Up in here. Man, hey. Man, this pool water is so cold. It's cool though. I smacked that junk, but I got out. It's okay. It's okay. We ain't tripping. I'm gonna smack it again. And I'm gonna get it right back out again. But it's okay. We ain't worried about that. Baby got a swimsuit on. Man, we out here vibing. We out here just bubbly. I need to record your video, baby. I need to record your video.
Mine.
Yeah.
Please. This is my room. Don't smell like roaches or nothing in here.
Man, this is a food. This is what I'm talking about. It don't smell like roaches or nothing in here. Whole food, man. But yeah. I didn't know. I figured it was gonna be warm out here. I didn't know. That's the reason why the water's so cold, because I didn't get the pool heat, and I think it was like $100 a day. So I didn't get it. Which is okay. I really thought it was gonna be warmer than what it is. What? This is crazy, motherfucker. This woman is crazy. She done shut the door like she stuck. Like now she doing the Matrix. Shut the damn door like she doing the Matrix or something. But anyway. It was like $100 a day, so I didn't get it because I didn't think I was gonna need it. But man, this water cold. It was ice balls. But like I said, it's okay.
Break this.
This is what I have to deal with. This is what I have to do. Like, this is why I be having all these bruises on me and stuff. Cause she be beating people. She be beating me up. Like, I don't understand.
Liar. Liar.
You got neighbors. They don't like ugly. God don't like ugly. Anyway, so I'm finna record her video because she wants me to record her video for something.
It's a rail.
Oh shit. 9,000 million likes. I mean views. She got the cheeks out. But yeah. I'm gonna show y'all her little, what you call this shit? Improv? I don't know what you call it, but I'm gonna let the camera record me while I record her. Yeah. All right, man. I just start recording.
Okay.
Okay. I'm a videographer now, y'all. Y'all better start playing, baby. Out here in Florida. But yeah, man, we ain't ate yet, man. We up drinking bubbly. Finna fire this cigar up, and then we gotta find something to eat. I called my auntie. My auntie's supposed to be making us lunch, man. So we're gonna get over my auntie today. We're gonna go and do some more stuff. And yeah, we're just gonna chill out. So today, man, I'm gonna take y'all with me today. I ain't had a whole lot of time to take y'all with me because we really been crunk, like we been hype. So I'm gonna take y'all with me today, man, on everything we do. And yeah, we're gonna do it that way. So I will hit y'all when our moves start going. Yeah, I'm back, man. Baby warming up some food for us or whatever. Sitting there smoking with my bubble. Got my old cigar. Man, shout out. I want to give a big shout out. Well, I ain't gonna say a shout out. I want to acknowledge my dog, man, Memphis Mike. Man, when y'all see this video, man, go to my dog page on Instagram, Memphis Mike's Garage. I have it down here. Well, I'll put it in the video, man, but my dog he just lost his dad this morning. And it hurt me because like that's his dad. And I ain't gonna say I was close to him, but I was close enough to him. And it hurts because that was a good man. Like he was a good man. You know what I'm saying? He was a good father. He was a good friend to Mike and me. So it was like it hurt. And I know how Mike feel about his dad. And yeah, part of the reason why I could have recorded, you know what I'm saying, on the way here, but like I was talking to him a little bit and like, there go another lizard. I was talking to him a little bit and
You had to unplug and plug back up.
huh?
I had to unplug and plug the washing machine back up. But now the microwave.
For real? Okay. I broke down, y'all. Like I couldn't take it because I ain't never heard my dog talk like that. You know what I'm saying? He wasn't his normal self, and which he wouldn't be. I wouldn't be if my mom or my dad was going through it. Like when my mom was going through what she was going through, I wasn't my normal self. So, man, y'all do that for me, man. And, you know, give my dog some words of encouragement, man. Just keep him in y'all prayers, man. Cause he deserves, he needs that right now. Yeah, but like on the way here, man, I just broke down. Like I couldn't stop the tears, man. I was just in another zone coming out here. He told me to come out here and have fun, but it was like, you know, I had fun because I'm with my wife. I'm with my other guys, you know what I'm saying? But like, I'm used to having fun with my dog, you know what I'm saying? So it was hard. So I'm dealing with that right now, but it's cool. I'm gonna have fun for my dog, man, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm finna go ahead and try to get me something to eat, man. Like I said, I hit y'all, man, we get to making moves, whatever. But y'all do that for me, man. Just go over there, man, shout out my dog with some love, man. Just shout out my dog with some love, please. That's all I ask.